Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today we want to factory reset the Google Nest Mini second generation. I know there are guys who want to factory reset their device and they don't know how to do it. Today I'm going to show that the procedure. It's a quick and easy procedure to do it, and I hope you like and subscribe to this video. So the first step for you to factory reset, you need to flip the device. The mic button, you have to turn it off.
The mic's off.
Once it's off, it will indicate to you
By the way,
with a different color, that is orange, and it will also tell you the mic's off. So at this point, you cannot control the device using voice. So what you need to do, the second thing, you have to press and hold this center part where the lights are, where you should hold for 5 seconds so that it starts to factory reset, and then hold it down for another additional 5 seconds, which is a total of 10 seconds for it to completely factory reset the device. So let's do it.
You're about to completely reset this device. Release to cancel.
Once you've heard that sound, it means it has completely factory reset the device. So give it time to finish the procedure and it will come back on, now showing you that you can set up the device. I can bring up my phone so that we can see if you will be able to see the Nest Mini being visible, ready for pairing. As you see right now, it's going back on. Sorry for that. So the procedure is easy. You see it's still loading. Once it has loaded, it will tell you to turn on the microphone, because it will sense the microphone is off. Now it's ready for setup.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. The mic's off.
So on your phone or tablet, for me I'm using my phone, you can find the device over here. For me I'm setting it as a new device. To my home, turn on Bluetooth, allow. Let's see if it has already factory reset and it's ready for pairing. You see, it has gotten the device. The device is already factory reset. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe, share the video. Hope to see you on the next video. Cheers. Have a lovely day.